Next, phase changes. So there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Look at this. So lowest energy state and the highest energy state are: solid is the lowest energy state, gas is the highest energy state, and liquid is intermediate between that. So any solid, think of ice being, no, just kidding. Ice is the solid form of H2O. So ice is solid. So when ice goes to water, we call it melting. Ice melts. So but any solid that goes to its liquid form is called melting. So melting is a heating process. You are increasing the heat content of that object. So solids are lowest energy state, liquids are intermediate, and then if you add further heat to the liquid will go to the gas state, and that's called vaporization. Not boiling, not evaporation, but vaporization. There's a why we call it, I will tell you later. So both melting and vaporization are heating processes. So solid to liquid is called melting, and liquid to gas is called vaporization. The reverse is called cooling. So you're taking away heat. Remember, this is caused by heat, which is the energy, not temperature. Temperature is the manifestation of the heat energy. So when you take heat away from it, like you put a cup of soup in the microwave, when it is done, you put it out, let it cool. So that's cooling. So when a gas goes to liquid, it's called condensation. And when a liquid goes to solid, further cooling, it's called freezing. So the three states of matter for H2O are ice, water, and steam. But there are substances which are not very common but not also uncommon, where they bypass the liquid state. A solid can go directly to the gas, and we can make the gas come back to the solid state by cooling it. And this happens with a substance. The two processes are: sublimation is the heating process and deposition is the cooling process, and we get dry ice, which you can buy in Kroger. It's a solid form of CO2, carbon dioxide, the gas that causes global warming. So but it is pretty common gas. We are breathing out carbon dioxide every time we are breathing out. That's carbon dioxide coming out through our nose. So we are part of the carbon cycle. But this is called the phase changes. So there are 6 phase changes. Melting, vaporization, and sublimations are examples of heating, and freezing, condensation, and depositions are examples of cooling. All right.